Let's see, does it turn off? Oh! Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. What? Hey, I got you this lamp, boss. I hope you like it. Give me that damn lamp. A double head LED desk lamp? Why would I want this? But I'm not complaining. So, my brothers, today we're going to be installing a double head LED desk lamp. I'm having lots of trouble getting good lighting while recording my keyboard videos. Let's install this bad boy. What you get in the box? There's no tape, so it might have been returned. The manual, I don't need it because we're intelligent. You got to look rich to be rich because we're poor. What you get is your package in a bubble wrap, and you get your little thing that connects to the wall. We don't need that. Pull it out the bag like so. Oh, we get a remote. I didn't know we ordered a TV. Very fancy. The price of this was $25 on Amazon. There's like a 10% discount, so I'm gonna leave a link in the description below if you guys want to buy this yourselves and have great lighting. So it comes with your thing that connects to your desk. We're gonna put this behind my desk so it's hanging over my OLED monitor. Have you guys checked out my OLED monitor? They're cool, huh? Calm down, calm down. I'm sure this extends. Oh, it's flexible. I like it when it's flexible. So you got your little lamp, and I'm sure they go down. Damn. Okay. You can pull it down like that. Does it rotate? Oh, so it goes like, oh, okay. Bad. Look. You can curve it right over it, and boom. Oh, okay. So this, I'm sure, because there's a little bit of slack, right? It gives it the height that it needs. You pull the little string back, because that's a lot of slack right there. You want to twist it up. Come on. Work with me, baby. Okay. Like so. Pull it down, and then once you catch on, you want to start twisting. Come on. There we go. Go until it's tight, and now you got it. Pretty simple. Now, let's install it to our desk. Well, now we got to pull the desk out, so let's put this on the floor. Want to lift it up a little bit and just pull it back like so. Oh, there we go. Let's bring you guys over here. Okay, what's up, you guys? What's popping back here? We're gonna install it right there behind the OLED, so it looks all cool. The lighting is such right there. There's no light right there, and when I'm making my videos, I want that keyboard to be lit up. Oh, I'm too hyped up today. Hope this doesn't make my setup look ugly now. You got your little thing. You want to rotate it to the left, lefty loosey, righty tighty, and we want it tight because tight is always better. So let's tighten it up. Make sure it's tight. Damn, it's gonna break. That's tight. Now we're gonna want to get our power brick. Look, you want to connect it to that, so connect it to the wall and then to this, and then we're gonna turn it on. Let's go, baby. Let's go, you guys. And we lost the thing. Dang it. Oh, here it is. So look, you grab this, you want to plug it to the wall, and then connect it to the thing I just showed you. Let's go. I'm getting old. Okay, you guys getting this? Oh shit. Oh, I see something turned on. Hold up. Oh, damn. Woo! Look at how good that looks. No way. Mama coño. Look at how bright that looks. Y'all see that? It makes my OLED, exposes how dirty my OLED is. But that's cool. But look at how much bright, dude. Making videos, look, if you need to make some good quality content with some great lighting, get your guys yourself one of these. Wow. Let's get the remote. Put it on the show. Do I need to pull out like a piece of plastic or something? Okay. Let's see what it has. You got a night mode? Does it even work? Where do I aim it? Does it need batteries? Oh, okay. See, look, that was the plastic part I was talking to you guys about. Now I had, wait, hold up. Dang it. Come on. Haha, there you go. Let's see. Does it turn off? Oh, look at that. What? Let's turn off the brightness. There you go. Okay, so you have to click the center button and then you have to click, there you go. It's getting brighter. Well, let's turn off all the lights. Okay. Hey, baby, how's it going? You want to see some light? Look at that. Okay. We're gonna dim it down all the way. Damn, that's so responsive. What does this thing do? Like, you see that? Let's see what that does. Oh, it changes it cools it down. Don't focus on the remote. Now let's warm it up. Yo, the videos are gonna be so nice now. What is that? I guess these are like presets. You got your like coffee. Oh yeah, it warms it up. You got your computer at work. Oh, it cools it down. And then you got your, what is that, a book? Or a laptop sideways. I like the cool one. That one's nice. All the way bright. Yeah. The brightness, that just makes everything look so much cooler. Like, compare this. Like, that's what I was working with. Now you have your little light board on top of your monitor. I gotta clean that. Give me a sec. I need an air purifier. Oh yeah, I need a dude, reviews are gonna be so cool. And then look, you can pull it out if you need to. Look, pull it out, more brightness, pull it back in so it's aligned to the top of the monitor. That's nice. And then you got your buttons up here too. You got your power off button, you got your manual mode, and you got your brightness. Turn it off, turn it back on. That is nice. That is so cool. And if you want to change the color to warm, like if you want to warm the color up, all you got to do is just press the reading and boom, it's warm. You want to cool it down, press the computer, and then the book in between. That is so clean. And look, POVs just look way better too now. Let's give it a little edit. Let's do it.